Good morning, my name's Wesley. I'm from King Solomon's Mines, USA, and today we're going to be doing gauges and plugs. From start to finish, I'm going to show you how to do them, how to shape them, so let's get going. With my aluminum pen, I'm going to just put a circle around it, or a circle around where I want the pattern to be for the plug. Mark this, it's nice. So I wanted to show you the steps I've taken so far to get to where we are now. So I started out with a slab, then I cut it into squares, and then now we're at the kind of pre-shape form. So I just wanted to show you what we've done so far. Took it from the slab, and then I cut the slab into a square, and then I went to the round. We did the round. And now what we're going to do is put the groove in the middle. Let's see it down there, but okay, so we're going to go ahead and have it lined up pretty good, see, right in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and put that concave in. I'm going to do one or two, and then we'll go on to the next step. Here we go. So I just wanted to show you the steps we've taken so far. We have the slab, we have the square, now we have the round that we did, and now we have the round with the indentation in the middle. Next step is to finish polishing finish sanding the indentation, the outside, and polish it. So I'll take you and show you that next. Okay, here we go. And that's what we're going to use to polish the plugs. So well, here's the plugs that I got back, all finished up. There's 11 millimeter. It didn't turn out too bad. I had some that chipped on me, which I'll have to cut down smaller, but this is what I got out of
some of those. I'm still working on some more, but I wanted to show you what the finished product looked like. And so I hope you enjoyed it. The plugs are beautiful. And next time I'll see you. If you have any comments, list them below. Ring the bell if you could. And subscribe. I really appreciate it. But anyway, that's all for the plugs, and we'll see you next time.